So we love this Cuisinart Fondue Pot. We use it on holiday occasions. This is the electric model, so it keeps your fondue hot. It has a non-stick inside, which is really handy for cleaning. We usually make the fondue in the pot because of this. So this one does have the lid option, which allows you to keep your skewers on the side like that in the notches. All the skewers have different color ends. I'll show you what they look like. So you can assign everyone in your group a different color. And then that way you know exactly whose skewers are whose, which is really handy. To use this, there is this plug. The great thing is it's electric. The downside is this plug is like 4 feet long, so it's super short. That does mean you have to run an extension cord from your dining room table or your bar or counter, whatever you plug it into. So this just goes right into here. And then the other side plugs into the wall, and then you set your heat temperature here. And the one thing you want to know about this is you can burn your fondue because it does get really hot. So you just need to monitor your temperature to make sure you have it at the right level, especially for the amount of fondue you have in here.